Do you want to start thrifting your own wardrobe but you don't know where to start? Don't worry, girlfriend, I got you. Here are my best tips. Every time I walk into the thrift store, I always have some kind of mood board in mind of what I'm going for that day. So if you are a gothic girly like me, I typically go for velvets, black florals, anything that kind of reminds me of what I'm looking to look like. I also always keep in mind silhouettes. I already know what silhouettes look best on me for my body shape. I have a wide rib cage and I have wide hips and broad shoulders, so I know that anything that's going to be a fit and flare is usually going to be super on me. So that's always what I look for. So I'm going to show you guys what I got from my recent thrift haul so that you guys know how I shop for my wardrobe. First things first, I got this beautiful purse. Look at it! Ah! I always go for black, purple, burgundy, anything that's gonna be in the same kind of tone that I want. Remember, I'm always going for my mood board, so I always go for anything that's purple. And also this bag is from Zara. I literally got a Zara bag for $8, bro. $8 I got this Zara bag for. Whenever I'm shopping, like I said, florals are a big thing for me personally because I'm a little bit more on the feminine side when it comes to my gothic fashion. So I found this adorable robe, some like pretty little pink florals. It's so pretty though, and I just think they look so elegant and sexy and just so feminine. I love it so much. This shirt, I don't know how I'll style it. Maybe I'll cut it and make it into a dress, but as you can see, so pretty, right? Like, I just love it so much. I think it's so beautiful. So I can wear it a ton of different ways, and sometimes I'll wear them as like, I'm not even kidding. Like, that's the thing about fashion, is it's all about being creative, which is so pretty. Next thing on the list. And like I said, velvet is a huge thing for me. It's so pretty, and I saw, oh my god, I saw these adorable slippers that matched them so well, but they weren't my size. They were too small, and I cried because they matched so beautifully. And then I also found this skirt. I'm always thinking about my mood board, so anything that I feel like would match that Pinterest board, that is what I'm purchasing because I can always style it to look in that kind of scheme. I also got this little handbag. Look at how adorable. I love anything that's like reminiscent of Victorian kind of Gothic era. Yeah, it's missing some beading, but it's thrifted, so you know, beggars can't be choosers. Now, one of the things I also purchased is this beautiful vintage dress. I honestly am not a fan of the color, but because this is a sewing page, I know that I for sure can take this apart, make a new pattern, and put it into a color or fabric type that is a little bit to my Gothic liking. So if you want to take a look at that, you know exactly who to follow. Thrifting can be very daunting at first, but I promise you it's way easier than it looks, and you have me as a guide now. So if you haven't already, hit that follow button because here at Eve in the Garden we do all things Gothic and just a bunch of Gothic sewing things, okay? So stick around because we have fun here.